Hi, and welcome to my this is my July Stitch Fix. This is my 5th fix. I have not shown you, I don't believe I showed you either my 3rd or 4th fix, because in April and May and June, I get really intensely busy. Actually, it was May and June, because I teach 8th grade, and all of our graduation celebrations and ceremonies and parties, all the end of year stuff comes together in the very end of that. So I have been very busy with that. So I missed out on showing you both May and June. June was definitely not as successful as May. May was more successful, but really nothing hit it out of the park like the April one, and the April one was extraordinary. This actually, the July one is pretty awesome. So I'm super excited to show you all the great stuff that my stylist sent to me. Okay, so I received my little style cards in the mail along with the 5 items. They've now moved me to 5 items, which I prefer because receiving 9 or 8 items was kind of a lot, and if I wanted to buy 5 to 8 of that, or 5 to 7 of them, it would be a lot of money. So the 5 items that are sent to me now are tending towards being less expensive, and it doesn't feel like such a big hit if I want them all. Okay, so my stylist, she got no instructions from me for either June or July. She kind of winged it, and winging it in June did not work for her as well, but the July one, it worked out really nice. So it said, actually this is, I think I had Maureen before, now I have Christine. Okay, so Christine, thank you for doing your great job. It says, hi Nadina, happy fix day. I'm so excited for you to dive into your next fix. I see from your style profile, so I do those little, where you go in and you click, I like this item, no, I don't like that item, look at the thumbs down and the thumbs up. I always do, I do those pretty religiously, at least 3 or 4 times a week. I see from your style profile that you prefer casual pieces that would be suitable for work as well. So I started with the PISTOLA skinny jeans as a nice addition to your wardrobe. Let me know how you feel about the fit. And Christine, I actually am mentioning in my review how I feel about the fit. I am going to be exchanging it for the size up, because the one you sent me, while it fits, it's just uncomfortable enough that I think I should size up. Pair the denim with the adorable Alice Blue floral blouse and add the Bancroft necklace, which is this one, for a touch of shine. And by the way, this is the Alice Blue floral blouse. Finish with your favorite flats. Perfect. Enjoy your fix. And so it's got all the different style options. Here's the Pistola jeans. Here's the floral detail blouse. Here's the Julianna cuffed sleeve tie front blouse. We have the Halie round necklace, and finally the Valentina crochet knit jumpsuit. And in here we have the information about the money, how much it would be to buy all of these items. So the skinny jeans are $88, and I received them in a size 10 or a size 30. The Bancroft Halie round pendant necklace, which is rose gold, $28. That's this one. The LOVEAPPELLA Valentina crochet trim knit jumper is a size medium, $78. The Alice Blue, the Ambriz Pleat front detail blouse, it is a size medium, it's $42. And the westkei, it's K-E-I, Julianna cuff sleeve tie front blouse is a size medium and $44. If I were to buy all, it's $280, and it would minus $70 for buying all, 25% discount. I don't receive the stylist fee taken off because I was given the option of doing the style pass, which I think was $40 for the whole year, or $50. And so I no longer receive the stylist discount, but that was okay because my styling fixes are completely free. It brings the entire total down to $210. So basically giving me either the jeans for almost all off or the jumpsuit for almost all off. So we're going to go ahead and start with quick, show you the items closer up. So these are the, this is the Valentina knit crochet jumpsuit, and it is a navy blue with pretty little roses and this kind of peach rust and white cream with the green details. It is a lettuce edged sleeve hem, which I'm not normally a fan of, but it looks really good with this jumpsuit. Here is the crochet they speak of. It comes right at the top of where the V-neck bodice meets the sleeve. It is very long. It is not a short jumpsuit. It is a full-length pant jumpsuit, and this is gorgeously comfortable. The material is a rayon blend knit, so very light and cool. It actually lays quite nice on the body. It drifts away where it needs to. It fits where it needs to. The only thing I don't love is that it doesn't have pockets, but I recall that there was another blog that had the same jumpsuit, and she said she would like there to be she would like there to be pockets as well. So I agree with her. I'm sorry, I am itching a little because I don't take the tags off until I officially buy them. And so this Alice Blue shirt has a very itchy tag in the back. So that's why I was fooling around back there. All right, so speaking of the Alice Blue, I'll go ahead and show this one off a little closer up. It is a poly chiffon. It has a very short cap sleeve. I tend to prefer cap sleeves, to be completely honest with you. I think they suit me better than other ones. And it's this really pretty, sort of like it's not quite a light gray blue. It's got a little more warmth to it. So I think it suits my complexion better than like a light blue would. And then this is the little cute necklace. It actually has two options. You can either wear it with the little silver hammered pendant in the front, or you can flip it back like this and you end up with the pretty little rose gold just by itself disc. So, and that's what it looks like that. Next up is this is actually possibly my favorite thing from the Fix, is the Julianna cuffed sleeve tie front blouse. This is just such a beautiful top. It is very simple, and I actually don't own many solid colored items. I'm usually more of a floral or print person, but the way this sits on my body and this tie being in the front really frames my my shape well. It has, again, that kind of capped kimono sleeve that I like, and it's got a bit of texture to it. I'm going to see if you guys can see that. I'm going to pull it up a little bit closer to the mirror, to the camera. And it has this sort of shoulder detail that I think adds a little bit of structure and complexity to the top. Very lightweight, very beautiful. It's perfect for year-round. I could see wearing it at Christmas, and I definitely can see wearing it in the summertime too. And I do plan on wearing it this summer. What's nice is all of these items are great for all year. So she did a nice job in sending me a July Fix that has options beyond just wearing it between, at least here in Virginia, between the months of April and October. And then finally are the pants that I'm wearing. So I'll just quickly stand up so you can see them. But it's just these, the Pistola denim. And you'll see in the review that I'm not actually the biggest fan of the fit through here. So I'm actually showing you my least favorite part of the jeans. They are a fitted denim jean, and they fit more like jeggings than they do as jeans. So all of these are in my individual reviews of the items, and I will go ahead and cut to these now so you can see all the reviews in a row, and I hope you enjoy my video reviews as opposed to my photographic reviews, which is what I normally do. So here is the jumpsuit from head to toe on me in real life. I like how very stretchy it is. I love this length. I think it's wonderful. I'm about 5'9". I just had it checked yesterday at the doctor. 5'8.7". And so I have to say, if you're a taller lady, this is actually kind of a nice jumpsuit. It goes just to my ankles, which I know some people would prefer it go further, but I actually prefer things ankle length. I also like the fact that it gives me enough length through here and through back here. And the detail on the sleeve kind of balances me out since I am a pear shape. So here it is from the front, and here it is from the side, and here it is from the back. So I do enjoy it, and it's actually dressy enough that I could wear it out. I could wear it to church. I don't think I could wear it to school. I don't know yet. I've seen people wear jumpsuits to school. I haven't tried it yet, but it definitely is more conservative, so I could probably get away with it. acrylic denim, kind of like jegging leggings, but they actually have a proper fly and closure and regular pockets and back pockets. So it is technically a pair of denim jeans. It just has a very stretchy jegging kind of feel with its like tight spandexy legs. Love the color. The color is fabulous. It's a color that I don't actually own in my wardrobe. The problem with these are that they're a size 30, and while it, you know, technically fits, it's a bit constricting in the waistband. So I think I might actually go ahead and exchange them for a size 31 and have them send me a 31 instead. And that way it's a little bit more loose through here. And then since it's jegging, so the jegging material, it'll be a little bit, it'll still be stretchy and still fit close to the leg. So here it is from the front, and then from the side, and then from the back. And I like them. And so probably gonna get these, but again, I'm gonna have to exchange them. This is the top, the green tie waist top. The material is a stretchy crepe poly, and it's got a nice texture, and I love this color for me, this kind of evergreen color. And it's a color that I can wear year round, and I will definitely wear year round. And I love how it just flares out over the hips, but then because it has the tie waist, it kind of gives me a nice shape. So I am very balanced, and everything about this I'm just in love with. And if they want to send me more colors of this particular top, I would be fine with it, because this is definitely my speed. So when you undo it, I'll show you that in a second. I just want to show you from the side as well. And then from the back. And so when you untie it, it just becomes kind of shapeless. But again, pretty cute. And I guess if you wanted to, and you wanted it to be a little bit more shapeless for whatever reason, you could do like a looser tie towards the back. So that's what I'm attempting to do right now. And then you have it, it's just got a little bit of it defines it a little bit. It becomes more plain. You might want to wear more of like a scarf or a longer necklace with it. But then when you look from behind, you have the tie in the back. So it gives a little interest to the back as well. So here I am, I'm wearing the Pistola denim leggings, the denim jeans again. And now I also have on a little floral top that's an exclusive to Stitch Fix. And normally with these sorts of tops, I worry that they're not gonna fit over my hips, because they're made for me non-stretch poly kind of chiffon material. And so when I saw it, I'm like, there's a good chance these won't fit at my hips. But the stylist is actually really good, because I think she recognizes I carry most of my weight down right here and no weight up here and very little weight at the bottom. So she tries to find me things that are going to, you know, kind of flare away from the hips. So I'm seeing her being very aware and careful with the choices of anything that are in this area of my body. So anything from here up is fine, and anything from down here to there is fine. It's just more of like this little square rectangle on my body. So anyhow, here it is from the front. And from the side, you see that we have these, it's a hemming where it's, I don't even know what to call it, kind of a split seam hemming, where had it been hemmed so that it would come together like this, I wouldn't have been able to wear it, because it's a split. It works perfectly with my frame. And then from the back, fits properly through my shoulders. And the color, while I normally wouldn't go for this color, with the beautiful kind of golden peach colors and the cream, I actually really like this on me, and it's just very pretty, and it's easy enough that if I wanted to, I could tuck it into a skirt. So I'm seeing a lot of potential for this particular top. All right, I hope you enjoyed those video reviews. I'm going to go ahead and end this video by telling you that if you enjoyed watching my Stitch Fix video, I would love it if you went ahead and subscribe down below. I will subscribe back. I have been terrible about uploading videos, but I do upload them. And it just means some months I'm going to be less frequent and other months I'll be more frequent, especially when I have more time. I do plan on purchasing all these items. However, I will absolutely size up in the GS Super Skinny Jean to a size 31, or I guess a size 12. And I think that if you are a person who tends to wear, you need to size up in jeans or whatever, if you get sent these, this is going to be one where you're going to have to size up. All the other items I've received from Stitch Fix so far that have been a 10 or a size 30 have fit me perfectly. So this is actually one of the only ones that I've been sent that I needed to size up in. Otherwise, they've been great with their sizing. Very, very good at sizing. So, all right. So thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching mine. I enjoy watching all of yours. So I will see you back here for August 2019 Stitch Fix.